Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Adams High Tech channel. Today, we have an incredibly important topic to discuss: how seniors can benefit from technology. You might be surprised by how technology can enrich the lives of our seniors in so many ways. So, if you have a senior in your life or if you're a senior yourself, this video is for you. In the next 5 minutes, we'll explore the fantastic advantages that technology offers to seniors. Let's dive right in. Staying connected with loved ones. One of the most significant advantages of technology for seniors is the ability to stay connected with loved ones, no matter the distance. With smartphones, tablets, and video chat apps, seniors can easily talk, see, and share moments with family and friends, even if they're far away. Fostering social connections. Another incredible way technology benefits seniors is by fostering social connections. Social media platforms and online communities provide opportunities for seniors to connect with old friends, make new ones, and share experiences. Access to information and learning. Technology opens up a world of knowledge and learning opportunities for seniors. They can access news, read books, take online courses, and even learn new hobbies, all from the comfort of their homes. Improving physical and mental health. Technology has a significant impact on senior health. There are various apps and devices designed to track fitness, monitor health conditions, and remind seniors to take medications, promoting a healthier lifestyle. Enhancing mental agility. Engaging with technology can enhance seniors' mental agility and memory. Brain training apps and games challenge their cognitive abilities, helping to keep their minds sharp and active. Access to telemedicine. In recent times, telemedicine has become a game-changer for seniors. With virtual doctor consultations, seniors can seek medical advice from the comfort of their homes, saving time and effort. Simplifying daily tasks. Technology can make daily tasks more manageable for seniors. From voice-activated assistants that can answer questions or set reminders to smart home devices that control lights and appliances, technology simplifies life. There you have it, the incredible ways technology can benefit seniors. From staying connected with loved ones to enhancing mental agility and simplifying daily tasks, technology has the power to transform seniors' lives for the better. If you're a senior, don't be afraid to embrace technology and explore its endless possibilities. And if you have a senior in your life, consider helping them discover the amazing world of technology. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. Don't forget to check out our website adamshightech.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.